Today we're diving into a topic that everyone can relate to: stains. Whether it's a splash of red wine on your new rug or a coffee drip on your favorite white shirt, we've all been there. That moment of panic when you see that dreaded spot appear can be so real. But fear not, my friends, because knowing how to tackle those stains quickly can be the difference between a fashion faux pas and a sigh of relief. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Now let's get started with the top 5 stains you need to get rid of fast. Picture this: you're having a fabulous dinner party, and bam! Someone's hand flies up and a splash of red wine is headed straight for your pristine white rug. Don't panic, we've got this. The key with red wine is to act fast. Grab a clean cloth or napkins and blot, blot, blot. Don't rub, my friends, blotting is your best friend here. Now for our magic potion. In a small bowl, mix up some dish soap and hydrogen peroxide. Gently apply this mixture to the stain and let it work its magic for a few minutes. You should see the stain starting to break down. Rinse the area thoroughly with cold water. Blot away the excess water and voila, your rug is saved. We all love a good cup of coffee, but sometimes that caffeine boost comes with a price: coffee stains. Whether it's a morning mishap or a dribble down your favorite blouse, coffee stains can be surprisingly stubborn. But fear not, coffee lovers, we have the perfect solution. First, grab a paper towel and blot the stain as much as possible. In a bowl, combine equal parts white vinegar and water. Add a tiny squirt of dish soap. Apply this mixture to the stain and let it sit for a few minutes. You might notice the stain starting to fade. Rinse the area with cold water, and if needed, repeat the process. With a little patience, you'll have your clothes and furniture looking coffee stain-free in no time. Cooking up a storm in the kitchen is one of life's greatest joys, but those delicious dishes often come with a side of greasy splatters. Grease stains can be some of the most intimidating to tackle. But don't worry, we've got the ultimate weapon: baking soda. As soon as that greasy mishap occurs, grab a generous amount of baking soda and sprinkle it liberally over the stain. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now apply a small amount of dish soap directly to the stain and gently rub it in. Rinse the area with hot water. Hot water is key here to really melt away that grease. Your clothes or kitchen towels will be as good as new. We've all been there, reaching for a pen in our bag only to find it's leaked, leaving an unsightly ink stain on our favorite purse lining. Ink stains can be tricky, but with a little ingenuity, we can make those accidental marks disappear. Our secret weapon is rubbing alcohol. Grab a cotton ball and soak it in rubbing alcohol. Place a clean paper towel or cloth underneath the fabric. Gently dab the ink stain with the alcohol-soaked cotton ball, working from the outside of the stain towards the center. You'll be amazed as the ink starts to transfer from your fabric to the paper towel below. Continue dabbing until the stain is gone, replacing the paper towel underneath as needed. Rinse the area with cold water and bid farewell to those ink indiscretions. Accidents happen, and sometimes those accidents involve a little blood. Dealing with blood stains can be a little daunting. The key with blood stains is to act fast and use cold water. Hot water is a big no-no as it can set the stain. Soak the stained fabric in cold water as soon as possible. Let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Create a paste by mixing baking soda with a little bit of water. Apply this paste to the stain and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. Rinse the area thoroughly with cold water and your clothes will be as good as new. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 stains you need to get rid of fast. Remember, the key is to act quickly and use the right methods. With these simple tips and tricks, you'll be a stain-fighting pro in no time. Share your stories and tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video.